Statistics are important to email marketers. When it comes to looking at your email campaigns, not only do you want to see simple statistics, sometimes you need to obtain some granular information. Let's take a look at how to do this in iContact. Head over to the email section of the platform. Next, click on Send. Let's choose the statistics for an email. Click on the ellipses and then click on View Report. From here, we see we have a lot of great information, like how many contacts were sent to, how many opened, and how many clicked. We can also get some more granular data by exporting the message data. I went ahead and opened the exported CSV file in Excel. Let's use a pivot table to look at the data. In the pivot table settings, let's click on Email. Then let's choose Opens, Clicks, and any other data you might want to look at, such as unsubscribes, bounces, and no info. From here, you'll have more granular information about how many actions each individual email subscriber has taken with your email. Maybe you prefer to use Google Sheets. Simply add the CSV file to your Google account and open it. Select all the columns, choose Data, and then Pivot Table. We're going to put it into a new sheet. From here, we're going to use Email as a row, then all of these statistics as values. There you have it, how to look at your iContact email metrics with more granular information. If you have any questions or need further support, please contact our support team.